everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Pixiv. You click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv app and you will click here. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search for Pixiv. You will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.